Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use YouTube Analytics in order to optimize and grow our channel. So as you can see that right here, I have the channel analytics for our YouTube channel, but there's a bit of a difference here. Now this version of channel analytics comes from YouTube Studio and not from Creator Studio Classic. Creator Studio Classic has a detailed list of analytics that we're going to go through in our next video. For now, we're just going to analyze and look at the analytics for YouTube Studio version. So let's get started. Now, this overview section right here is basically a quick summary of your YouTube channel and the success rate and basically any form of statistics involving your channel. So as you can see that since we recently uploaded our video, there's not much activity or anything. In the top right corner, we can see that there's a time limit we can use to set and observe our analytics. So let's just say that I'm going to click on the last 7 days. And you can see that it shows top videos here, real-time activity, and other important stuff. And we're going to click on reach. Now reach has the elements of impression, views, unique viewers, and as you can see that since we recently uploaded our video, there is not a lot of curves on this graph. Now we scroll down and we're going to see other things like traffic sources type and traffic sources and playlists and impressions. They can be observed from here, and we're going to the engagement tab. Now this section has elements like watch time, average view duration. If you go down, it will show us things like our top videos, our top playlists, top videos by end screen and such things. And if we go into the audience tab, it shows us our unique viewers and subscribers. If we scroll down, we can see a more in-depth analysis of our audience. It shows the gender, the age group of our audience, which countries they're coming from, and the top subtitles that they're using in order to watch your videos. And that's it. This is really easy and simple, and you can use this version of YouTube Studio in order to gain quick insight on the analytics and how your channel is doing. So go ahead and do it for yourself.